Okay, we've got to solve this equation. So, first I just want to talk about this term here. See this minus sign, it's at the same level as the dividing sign, okay? That's very different to having the minus sign. So let's say it was 2x plus 5 over 3 and the minus sign was there, okay? That and that are very different. Okay, it's very important not to get those two mixed up. You see the minus sign starting there and drifting up here, okay? That and that are different because that, okay, let's write that, okay? When you've got a minus sign at the same level as the dividing sign, that's the same as minus 1 multiplying the whole thing, if you like. So that would be the same as minus 1 multiplying the whole lot, okay? And that is different to just minus 2x plus 5 over 3, okay? They are different. So don't confuse a minus sign at the same level as the dividing sign with a minus sign that belongs to just one of the terms on top. Okay, with that out of the way, let's actually answer the question. So, what's the first thing we do? Well, we've got a bunch of stuff on the bottom, okay? Generally, first thing to deal with is stuff on the bottom, get everything on top. And we can kill off the 4, the 3 and the 6 all in one step, because 4, 3 and 6 are all factors of 12. So if we multiply through by 12, we'll get everything on top. So that means multiplying everything on the left on top, everything on the left by 12 and everything on the right by 12. And multiplying everything on the left by 12 means multiplying every term on the left by 12. So that means this term multiplied by 12 and this term multiplied by 12. And we can do that by writing a 12 there. That 12 is now multiplying that whole term. And a 12 there. That 12 is now multiplying that whole term. And a 12 there, okay? So that's now like minus 12 multiplied the whole thing. Good. So, right, 12 divided by 4 is 3. So that becomes 3 multiplied by 3x minus 2, okay? You can write therefore there if you like. Don't write an equals there because there's an equals there. You shouldn't write an equals there, that's lazy, because okay, if we'd multiplied, before we multiplied by 12, then, all right, let's just go through this. So let's say you've got, I don't know, 2x equals 6, okay? And you divide both sides by 3. So you say equals x equals 3, okay? That's why you shouldn't write an equals, okay? That should be a therefore. Because 2x may equal 6, that's true, but 6 doesn't equal x. And what you're claiming is that 6 equals x and 3 equals x. Okay? Anyway, I'm getting slightly sidetracked, but that's important. These things matter. Okay, therefore, right, 12 divided by 3 is 4, so that becomes minus 4 into 2x plus 5 equals 12 divided by 6 is 2 times 1 minus x. Excellent, we've got everything on top, much nicer. Next, multiply out the brackets. Therefore, 3 times 3x is 9x minus 6 minus 8x minus 20 equals 2 minus 2x. Good, gather like terms. Let's have all the x's on this side and all the numbers on that side. Why not? Okay, 9x minus 8x. When we bring the minus 2x over here, it becomes plus 2x, or if you like, we're adding 2x to both sides. Okay, so minus 2x plus 2x is gone. So 9x minus 8x plus 2x is 3x. Okay, right, numbers. We're going to add 6 to both sides, add 20 to both sides. So plus 6 plus 20, minus 6 plus 6, minus 20 plus 20. That's all the numbers taken care of. So we get 2 plus 6 plus 20 is 28. Okay, good. Divide both sides by 3. And we get x equals 3 times 9 is 27, remainder 1. So x is 9 1/3. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the like button, and it would be a massive help if you could subscribe. It would also be amazing if you could support me on Patreon. All the papers and everything are on my website, drjem.com, and I'm also on social media. Thank you.